Hello guys, welcome to Karna Linux channel. This channel is about to experiment various Linux distributions which are available in the market. So today's session is for installing the Linux Manjaro. So I'm going to install that Manjaro OS in my virtual machine. So let's get started. I open my workstation, VMware workstation, and create a new virtual machine. Select a typical, click on next, and select I will install the operating system later. Next, select Linux version. You have to select other Linux 3.6 kernel 64-bit because in this list we don't have our distribution name, so that's what we are going to select this. And next, here you can give the virtual machine name. So I am giving here manjaro, sorry, okay, manjaro, manjaro hyphen 64-bit. Okay, and I'm going to browse the location, my computer. I'm going to this directory, new folder, that is manjaro. Okay, select that. Okay, and click next. Okay, I'm giving the size here 15 GB, and store virtual disk as a single file. Next, customize hardware. So I'm giving that memory is 2 GB. Yes, 2 GB, and processors, number of processor 2 and the number of cores select 2. So that's it. Select that ISO image. So browse. I have my ISO image here. Okay, in this directory, open and check everything here and go to the display. Accelerate 3D graphics. 7638 is recommended. Okay, close. Everything perfect. Finish. Power on this virtual machine. So it's booting. Okay, language is English. Yes. Select. Enter. Okay, enter. Next, boot manjaro. Control Alt Enter. Boot selected OS. Okay, boot manjaro. Now it's booting. Welcome to Manjaro Linux. So it's going to check all the files. it's taking much time, so I'll be back when the desktop is on. Just okay guys, I'm back, and it loaded all the files, and here you can observe. So welcome to Manjaro, and click on this launch installer. Minimize. So English. Welcome to Manjaro Linux 17.1 Hakola installer. Actually the desktop environment is KDE Plasma. So the installation is started. So click on next. My language is English, United States. Next. And yes, Asia and Kolkata. This is my country time zone. Click next. Keyboard also no, English US. Let me check. English US. English US. And here default, select default. Just click on next. Here you have to select erase disk. This will delete all data currently present on this is fresh partition, no need to worry about this. Click on that erase disk. Next, click on next. Okay, you can give your name here, that is my name is Karna. Used to be login. Okay, Karna, my name only, and choose the password. It's depend on you, so I can give the password as my wish. Okay, it's showing the password is doesn't match. Click on this. Okay. manjaro manjaro 123 tab manjaro manjaro 123. Right. Choose the password for the administrator. That is your wish. manjaro 123. Okay, next. This is the summary. You can check it out. Overview of what will happen once you start the install procedure. This is the location you choose and the keyboard style and partitions. So unpartitioned space or non-partition table 15.0 GB. I choose the 15.0 GB. It took the swap partition as 4.2 because I gave the swap partition as 2 GB. So swap is nothing but 2 into your physical RAM. That is means double your RAM. That's it. And click on next. Install now. Creating new ext4 partition. So this installation part will take some time. Here I am going to pause the video and I'll be back when the installation is completed. Hello guys, welcome back. It took 10 to 15 minutes to install the operating system. So we can see here all done. Manjaro Linux 17.1 Hakoila has been installed on your computer. So done. Click on done and restart the operating system. Okay, how to do that? Here you can leave, suspend, shutdown, logout, reboot. Okay. So I'm checking that the booting time, how much time it will take to load the operating system with given hardware. So see, okay, waiting for the login screen. Username and password you have to enter to log in the operating system. See, is looking good, very nice. The graphics and the login page is also very good, and password I have to enter here, manjaro 123. Enter. So voila, good. Okay. Plasma made by KDE Plasma desktop environment here. After login to show the icons. What happened? I just close. Yes. Actually, I previously used a Linux Mint operating system. Okay. And so I'm going to check this operating system for a while. So I'm going to give the difference between two operating systems, that Manjaro versus Linux Mint. Latest version is Linux Mint Sylvia, I think so. Okay. Open browser, settings manager. Right now we don't need, skip the setup and everything. Okay, just check Google. Yes, Google, enter. Go to distro watch, watch. It's looking fast. Yes, good, very good. And here, why did I choose this Manjaro operating system on this distribution distro watch website? Here are the top 100 distribution you can see here. So top to bottom, top 100. So at present Manjaro is the number one. I changed this last 30 days. Okay, last 30 days also it's showing that Manjaro is top distribution in distro watch website. So that's why I choose this operating system to install it, and for a while I will use it. See, Manjaro top one, right? So for a while I am going to use this operating system, and I will tell you I'm going to explain the features which are available in this operating system. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.